Today, we will be replacing the top brake light halogen bulb on this 2018 Ford F-150 Roush with all new LED lights from Halo Lighting. The bulbs are just inside the housing. In order to reach them, we will have to remove these 4 bolts. Now we can take off the housing, revealing the bulbs. The brake light is located here. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Unplug the bulb from the socket by pulling it straight out. We will replace it with this LED bulb from Halo Lighting. The LED bulbs have the same total length and same connector as the halogen bulb for a simple plug-and-play installation, and they are a natural red color. Plug the LED bulb into the socket. Turn the socket clockwise to lock into place. Replace the housing and then the 4 bolts to secure it. Here is the 2018 Ford F-150 Roush with all new LED lights from Halo Lighting. You can see the difference in color temperature and brightness from the original halogen bulb.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Halo Lighting.